Guys, welcome to another unboxing. This time is quite unusual because you know that I'm not a fan of Star Wars in general and I'm not a fan of Lego stuff, but this was a present, so it's good to show you. This is the box of Lego for Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. It's actually Lego, is the number of the box is 75375 and is composed of 921 pieces. This will be very hard to build. Here's the box, let's open. Okay, this is a classic box, not like this, the usual style for models, so it's a box that actually contains all the parts. So we have bags that are numbered. This is bag number 2, this is bag number 10, this is bag number 6, number 4, number 3, number 8, number 7 or black, number 9, number 5, number 1, and number 11. Then we have this piece that I think that is the rear of the Millennium Falcon, the blue one that is in the back for propulsion. And then we have a huge manual with all the instructions. This is the first time for me to build a Lego project, so I think that will be exciting. Then we will see in details what is inside. Okay, let's see a little bit in detail what is the content of each of these bags. Let's start with the bag number 1. I'm not able to find actually. Let's see. 1. This is bag number 1. There are a lot of strange pieces plus pieces that are very little. Let me see if there is some general idea of how this should be built. Probably you need to open bag one by one. Yeah, this is the instrument to move and place the pieces and to remove the pieces. Okay, yeah, bag number 1 by 1. Yeah, you have to proceed in order with the bags. So first is bag number 1, and then you follow all the steps in order to assemble the pieces. Yeah. Actually, it's very complicated stuff. Then you continue with bag number 2 and you continue to build things. And I suppose this until the end. Every time you have to open another bag, so the process is not so difficult as I was thinking. Actually, the manual is very, very detailed. Shows you everything that you need to know to build this Lego. Actually, I don't have a lot of experience, so I don't know if the components should be glued somehow or they will fall apart, or I don't know. There is even a status indicator about when you are along the completion. You see, there is this status indicator that tells you exactly where you are in building the model. So you can see there is a progress. And then finally, I suppose, during the last pages, you should have something like that is the Millennium Falcon. So. Ah yeah, this one goes in the back, as I supposed. These little pieces here, blue. Well, I don't know if there is something more to add, because as you can see, these are Lego pieces that are all different, all in bags. So I don't think that is more educational to open them and to understand which are the pieces that are inside. I hope to show you the process of building this one as soon as possible, and probably you will find it in my website www.policella.org, sorry, where you can find not only this one but even other builds and interesting stuff for the modelers. Thank you very much, and to the next one.